Welcome back to Beautyistic. If your hair has been feeling like it's just hanging on for dear life, dry, brittle, snapping at the slightest touch, you're in the right place. I've been there, and nothing feels worse than seeing your hair lose its strength and shine. Today, I'm sharing my experience with something that claims to turn that around fast. The Goldwell Dualsenses Rich Repair Restoring 60-Sec Treatment. Before we get into what happened when I put it to the test, make sure you subscribe and tap that bell icon so you don't miss any of my honest, science-backed beauty reviews. This is a deep repair treatment designed for severely damaged hair. Think overprocessing, heat damage, breakage, and compromised texture. Its formula is built around Goldwell's repairing technology, focusing on replenishing the hair structure from the inside out. It has a creamy liquid gel consistency, and the idea is simple. Apply it to clean, damp hair, leave it on for just 60 seconds, and then rinse. I worked it into my routine after washing, and the first thing I noticed was how easily it spread. The texture melts into the hair without that heavy, greasy slip some deep treatments have. I focused it mid-length to ends and let it sit while I finished my shower steps. When I rinsed it out, my hair felt instantly smoother. Not coated, but genuinely soft. Once it dried, the difference was even clearer. My ends looked less frayed, and the usual roughness from repeated heat styling felt calmer, more controlled. After several uses, the benefit became more consistent. My hair was easier to detangle, and it didn't tangle as aggressively throughout the day. That said, this treatment is rich. If you have fine hair, you may need a lighter hand. And while it works beautifully for severe damage, it's not meant to replace a regular conditioner. It's more of a targeted rescue step. The pros are pretty strong here. It works fast, which is a dream when you don't have time for long masks. The hair feels stronger and more hydrated almost immediately, and there's no heavy residue. I also love that it keeps the hair feeling manageable without weighing it down. On the flip side, the richness might be too intense for very fine or oily hair. And if you prefer fragrances on the subtle side, this has a noticeable salon-style scent. When it comes to value, this sits in the mid-range for salon treatments. For what it actually delivers, real structural improvement rather than a temporary cosmetic coating, I'd say the price makes sense. You don't need a lot per application, and the results show up quickly, which adds to its worth. Compared to other fast-acting reparative masks, this strikes a nice balance between effectiveness and usability. Some masks require long waits or come with heavy silicones that only make hair feel better superficially. This one actually helps improve the inner structure, which is essential when you're trying to recover from real damage. The packaging is sturdy and practical, and the formula stays consistent over time, so you're not dealing with separation or thickness changes as you get through the tube. Is this review helping you out? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Goldwell generally has a strong reputation for customer support through salons and retailers, and I haven't had any issues personally with them. Their product line tends to be reliable and consistent, which is always reassuring. If you feel the price is too steep, a more budget-friendly alternative would be a protein-based repair mask from a drugstore line. Just keep in mind those typically take longer to work and may not penetrate as deeply. If your damage is severe, the higher investment can be justified. Overall, this treatment really does what it sets out to do. It's best suited for anyone dealing with heavy damage, bleach, heat styling, chemical services, or chronic breakage. If your hair is only mildly dry, it may be more than you truly need, but for severely stressed hair, it can be a game changer. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. The link to the product is in the comments or description box. If you've tried this treatment yourself, drop a comment below and share your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.